Hi, I'm Dr. Carrie Contey, and when the lovely folks at Austin in Connection reached out to see if I was interested in giving a talk on resiliency and family life, I jumped at the opportunity. This is my stuff. This is what I love talking about. So I've been spending my time weaving my thoughts together and thinking about what I want to share, and what I've come up with is really exciting. So the title of the talk is The Future of Resilient Families. And what I'll be sharing during my time is just a new, broad, amazing perspective on humanhood and human development. I'll be talking about early brain development. And I will be really giving practical tips and tools about how to do conscious family life. So I've brought my best stuff and I'm gonna blast it out and we're gonna have a great time. And whether you're a parent or a practitioner or just somebody who really is curious about having healthy relationships both now and in the long term, this is for you. You will leave feeling invigorated and inspired and ready to get back out there to love your people. So please join me. It's October 26th. You can learn more below, and I really hope you join us. I look forward to seeing you. So thank you so much, and here's to all the goodness of being alive. Bye.